Good morning, student of class 3A. How are you? Student, in my previous video, I explained you protective foods and what is the importance of water in our body. So student, today we will discuss things to remember, points and keywords of the chapter. Student, growing children like you need healthy food and not junk food. Okay, the food that you are eating goes in your stomach. The useful part of these foods gets into your blood. Along with your blood, it reaches all parts of your body. This is what gives you energy and makes you grow. So children, we need to eat healthy food, but these days what we are observing that in today's world healthy nutritious food have been replaced by the new food. Is it clear? It is said that the children should need healthy food. They eat healthy food, the food which contains all the nutrients, because they are in their growing age and they need healthy food for their growth and development of the body. And what's happened, student? When we are taking this food, the process of digestion starts from the mouth, and from the mouth the food goes into the stomach, and after digestion the food gets mixed with the blood. It means the nutrients are absorbed from the food, and now that nutrients mix up with your gets into your blood. And you know student, in our body, name of the internal organ, heart. And what is the function of heart? It pumps blood to all parts of the body. It pumps blood to all parts of the body. In this way we get energy when the nutrient through the blood reach in all parts of the body, and this give us energy. But see the picture, student. See this picture. It means that we should eat healthy food. But see the picture, student. The boy is eating in the picture and he is eating junk food. Is it clear? He is eating junk food. So student, now these days in today's world, healthy nutritious foods have been replaced by the new food, and we say it as junk, or you can say fast food. Okay, you can say junk or you can say fast food. So student, foods like wafers, colas, pizzas and burgers are replaced are placed in this category. Okay, what I want to explain you that green vegetables, milk, many things which I explained you, what are energy giving food, body building foods and protective foods. This makes your body grow and you are fit and healthy. But these days children like to eat more and more junk food or you can say fast food. They are taking this type of a food in their diet. So student, junk food is not a healthy food. No doubt that junk foods taste is good, but student, they do not provide essential nutrients. That is the reason they are not healthy. That is the reason they are not healthy. They are tasty. Junk food, when we eat such type of food, the taste of the food is good. But student, they do not provide essential nutrients. That is the reason eating too much of junk food is not good for our health. Is it clear? Now student, what was the another drawback of eating such type of food, eating junk food or fast food in our diet? Obesity, or you can say weight is increasing rapidly among the children due to unhealthy fast food. So student, this is not good for your health. This is not, this type of a food, fast food or you can say junk food, is not good for your health. It do not provide you nutrient. Okay, nutrients which are needed by our body. So junk food do not provide you such nutrients which are good for your health. The weight of the children increase by eating this type of a food. Even these days, due to busy schedule of children also, they are also not getting enough time for doing the exercises. But see student, exercises are very important. If you are doing regular exercises, then your body is fit and healthy. If you are doing regular exercises, your body is fit and healthy. So student, eat healthy food and do exercises daily to keep your body fit and healthy. Now I show you. See, now student, see, these are the fast food, or you can say junk food. And these days children like to eat this type of food in their diet, but it is not good for health. This is colas. This is your burger. Pizza. And wafers. You are eating lot of chips, okay, and these are not good for your health. So colas, wafers, pizzas and burger, these are the junk food. So student, if you want be healthy, then avoid this type of food, because it does not have any essential nutrients which are required for your body, that are not present in these types of food. Is it clear? So student, now let discuss keywords. See, first one is nutrients. Useful substances in our food that our body needs. Useful substances in our food that our body needs. So student, 5 main nutrients which our body needs are carbohydrates, fats, protein, vitamins and minerals. So these all nutrients are very essential in our diet to keep the body fit and healthy. To keep the body fit and healthy. Now next is complete food. Food that contains all the nutrients that our body needs. So student, when I am explaining you different types of nutrients, complete food is that food, or you can also say it as a balanced diet, which contain all the essential nutrients in our diet that our body needs. And do you remember, give the name of the food which is also known as complete food. That is their milk. Milk. This is the milk is also known as complete food because it contains all the nutrients, whether it is carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamins, and minerals. Okay, and after that, junk or fast food, food that lack nutrients. I explained you these foods are not good for our health. These foods are not good for our health. See, in this picture, boy is eating junk food. So, student, taking too much junk or fast food can make us put on extra weight. That I have already explained you. These days it has been observed that children are eating too much junk or fast food. And what problem arises due to this? By eating these type of a food, their weight is increasing. That is not good for their health. And even student, we know that junk foods taste good, but they do not provide essential nutrients. That is the reason these food are not healthy food. That is the reason these food are not healthy food. Okay, student. So, keywords: nutrients, complete food, junk food. Now, let read things to remember. First point is food give us energy, help us to grow, and keep us healthy and strong. So, the food which we are eating, student, these food give us energy. Okay, because we need energy, and from where we are getting this energy? We are getting this energy from the food which we are eating. We are getting this energy from the food which we are eating, and we do lot of activities and work in our day-to-day life. We play, we run, we study, we write, we are doing exercises. So many different things you are doing. So our body also need energy. So from where we are getting this energy? We are getting this energy from the food. We are getting this energy from the food which we are eating. So that is the reason food give us energy, help us to grow, and keep us healthy and strong. Now next point is that food can be divided into three groups. energy giving food, body building and protective food. Okay, see student, see types of food. Types of food. See, so food is divided into three categories: energy giving food, body building food and protective food. And student, we need all these food in our diet. Okay, because energy giving food, what are energy giving food? We need energy to perform different types of work and activities. So now the question arises, which type of food we are eating so that we are getting instant energy, because this energy is required by our body for performing different work and activities in our day-to-day life. So student, these types of food which provide us energy, that are known as energy giving food. And people who do lot of physical work needs lot of energy giving food. And here are the some name of the foods which give you energy. That is the reason these types of foods are also known as energy giving food: potato, banana, sugar cane. Is it clear? And in the picture, see, so student, in energy giving food, what are the nutrients come in this category, that is energy giving food? That nutrients are carbohydrates, and fats. Is it clear? Carbohydrate, what are the nutrients which come in this category? That is their energy giving food, that are carbohydrates and fats. Is it clear? So when we eat food, we eat such food which give us energy. And see student, these food and provide us energy, that is reason these are known as energy giving food. After that, and you know student, one more thing, this fact, if you consume more and more fat in your diet, so what's happened student? The fat stored in our body, the fat stored in our body, and where it is stored? Under our skin. That is not good for health. That is also not good for health. And we are getting this from butter, ghee, cooking oil. Your mother cook vegetables in oil. So these are the sources of fat, nutrient. So when we are talking about energy giving food, it means the nutrient which we are discussing, that are carbohydrates and fat. That are carbohydrates and fat. Okay. Now the second category of the food which we discuss, that is your body building food. That is your body building food. See student, these body building food help us to grow and to repair the muscles. Okay. So especially in the young children, in their diet they need more body building food, especially because your growth, or you can say your height, is increasing, you are becoming taller. So in your diet, kids, you need these body building food. These body building food means all parts of the body. Our body is made of very small part. In chapter number 2 you have studied cell. Okay. So student, with the body building food, it repair it repairs the cells, and it also forms the new cells. Okay. And by eating bodybuilding food, what's happened? It builds our bones and muscles. It builds our bones and muscles. And even student, maximum part of the body are made from this. And do you know student, what was the name of the nutrient which is known as bodybuilding food? Name of the nutrient is protein. Name of the nutrient is protein. So these bodybuilding food are very essential for the children, because they help to build our bones and muscles, and children must take food rich in protein. Okay. And milk product, fish, eggs, meat, pulses, these are what? These are body building food. These are body building food. Okay student, it is already given here also. This is the egg, white gram, meat, cheese, pulses. This is pulses, peas. So these are the food from which are required by our body, and these are body building food. Thank you, student.